The universe, not a creation of a Big Bang, but a connection made with a little pop. An atom pierced the newly formed spherical holographic universe construct. Data poured in. Elements formed. Planets, solar systems, and a myriad of cosmic laws were put into place before the first primordial life. For what purpose does this universe exist?
At last, I made it. It took me 5 years to finish the project, so I can finally take this vacation in Hawaii. Everything is too beautiful for words. I seem to have forgotten how to relax. I got to stop thinking about work. Stop thinking, Rachel. That's an order. Focus on something trivial. What's that? Aww, look at it. It's a little hermit crab. Hello there, little hermit crab. Doing the Einstein thinking thing here. If I were God, why would I create anything as insignificant as a hermit crab? Hey, little crab, is your life any good? All you do is spend your life just digging and redigging the hole after every tide, till you get eaten or squashed. How can that be a life?
It is all good. At least I know what I am supposed to do. Do you? Really? Do you?
Oh, that was freaky. It was like it answered in my mind. Or I made it up. Do I know what I am supposed to do? Should I answer it? Oh, what the hey. Hello? Sheila. What's up? They said what? You are kidding me. That makes everything wrong. No, we have to do it over again? No, I'm not coming back. At least until my vacation is over. Bye. Well, little hermit crab, it appears redoing stuff goes for me as well. How am I supposed to relax and have any fun, knowing nothing I did these last 5 years are valid, just because they changed the regulations? Everyone else seems to be having fun. The kids, the old people, and the surfer dude. And I just feel like crying. What's that? It's not a tsunami. Oh my gosh, it is a tsunami. She can't get her husband to move. And where is that little girl's mom? At least the surfer dude is running. I have no idea what I can do.
Time to hide. Time to hide. Find someplace to hide. Rachel, time is up. Come with me.
Where are we going?
We are traveling the quantum entanglement through the black hole cabling system to the first hub.
What is this place?
This is the first hub in the network of your reality, often referred to as the theater of your mind.
I Still don't understand.
Every night, during your sleep, your consciousness returns here to commiserate with the faction.
Well, I don't really remember, but this doesn't feel as foreign as it should, if that makes any sense.
What you know as reality is a network of programs. You and I belong to the faction. We are all working on a forever universe creation, one that continues, feeds itself, and increases forever.
A perpetual motion machine?
No, not just status quo, a continual increase. Our faction examines the programs from that perspective.
So I was doing something important?
Extremely. Now, if you would just step into that light, you will be able to communicate with operations, where most of our faction are. Creation and life subroutines were started with infinite possibilities and then set to random code. Our faction examines where the hiccups lie that prevent continuance. We research and then enter the program to make the slightest modifications and rerun.
This has happened before?
There are many things that can cause a rerun.
Subtle changes, minor revisions caused by those pesky UIs, unexpected interruptions, unscheduled interruptions, power loss, power failure, power surge, sometimes just faulty programming.
The universe is a program?
Without a good memory wipe, it would be totally confusing. Each repetition is exactly the same, just different.
Am I just a program?
No, dear, you are one of us. You came in to help modify directly. I pulled you out so we could check data before letting it run further. Here comes more of the faction.
Rachel, you are the one that rooted out the cause and discovered the solution. We are all anxious to see if this works.
So what I was doing was important. My project is going to make a difference to the world.
Project? Oh no, not that. That is nothing and doesn't matter. You discovered the point in which virus Catophic morphed into the invulnerable 2020 pandemic that kills all life in the ocean, which eventually ends the planet.
I did?
Yes, and it was you that insisted. You wanted to be the one to enter the program to change that. Running data now. Apparently, we're really close now, Rachel. It didn't eliminate the event, just delayed it by 6 months.
What did?
The virus entity on your right foot is in the process of morphing, and we delayed its speed this time, but need to truncate the morphing altogether. We just need one more fidget, and I think we will have saved the universe from extinction.
Fidget? I think I'm getting it now. If I fidget one more time on the blanket in the sand, the morphing of the virus will be permanently terminated and life will continue. Nothing else really mattered? The hermit crab was right. It's all good.
Okay, gang. Seems she is good to go. Let's reboot and see what happens.
Please wait. Reset. Restart. Program load.
We are born. We die. We are reborn.
Error 404.